Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Francis and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and parenthood. Today I have some big news to share with you. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am currently in nursing school, or that I did take a leave of absence from nursing school after I got pregnant, or while I was pregnant. And I decided to take a year and a half off. So pretty much the age of my daughter, which she is now 15 months, going on 16 months, I left nursing school. So now me, my husband, and my daughter, we left the Bay Area. So we were both born and raised in the Bay Area, and we are leaving the Bay Area and relocating to Orange County, which is in Southern California. If some of you are not familiar, the Bay Area is actually a little area located in Northern California, so near San Francisco. We lived in the suburbs, and my husband and I both went to college out in the Bay Area, but now since my nursing school is in Orange County, we moved down to Orange County, and today I'll be sharing with you a empty apartment tour. So we went from a 3-bedroom house to a 2-bedroom apartment and 2 baths as well. We still have our house in the Bay Area. My husband will be going back and forth, and when I have my breaks from school, we'll be going back to our house. But we do have an apartment here because it just seems so much more convenient, and it made much more sense to live here and relocate our family here temporarily. So far we've been here for like almost a week, I believe, in Orange County, and we love it. The Bay Area has a nice weather. Where we live like 40 minutes away from San Francisco. At one point we did live in Daly City, which is like just the suburbs of San Francisco area, and the weather there was always foggy, but where we lived 40 minutes away was always sunny as well. So the weather is nice up there too, but it's even nicer down here. It's a different kind of warm. And anyway, so here's the apartment tour. Forgive me, but we did take that video right after our 6.5-hour drive from the Bay Area to here down south in Southern California. So I look a hot mess, but I just want to share with you our empty apartment tour. Hello everyone, welcome to our empty apartment, empty apartment tour. You want to get in here? You like this floor? Sorry. Anyway, so we now live in a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment, and this is the guest bathroom with a shower and tub. See? You don't have to look at the toilet. Toilet's a toilet. Okay, and then we have our closet and our washer and dryer here stacked. Yeah. And then this is the bedroom, or our offices. Our office, shared space. Just whole looking like, where is Gina? With mirrored closets. It's very spacious. Are you getting the floor too?
It's kind of hella zoomed in, but okay.
Okay. And then now is our living room. Windows very bright, and then a bar countertop with these with granite countertops, unfortunately white appliances, not stainless steel. And then this is a little dining area. Yay! And then our patio area. Stay there. We're going to bring our table in here. And then here's the master bedroom. Sounds like you like it. Another great window and walk-in closet. Another closet. It's kind of small, but it's doable, yeah. Okay. Then another bathroom, shower tub combo. Yay! And then let's go end up in the kitchen with Zara. Plenty of counter space and cabinet space, and that's it. Yay! So thank you so much for watching our empty apartment tour. I'm so excited to share with you how we're going to furnish this apartment. We haven't lived in an apartment since 2020 when we moved out of our loft in the Bay Area, and we had to downsize our furniture. We still have like our wonderful Harris couch or sectional and our CB2 couch and dining table up north still, but we actually kept our furniture from our loft. So I'll show you in another video what furniture we brought with us and what decided to stay up in the Bay Area. We did get a new couch, so I'm going to share that with you in a new video. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one as we progress and furnish this new home that we have here in Southern California. Bye.